Hi guys, welcome back to 3D Printed Angler. I'm Alex. Last video I made this freshwater glide bait, but this glide bait doesn't have a really good glide action. So in this video I'm going to solve the problem and make this lure has a very good action. So from the experiment of last video, I think the shape of the lure should be fine. I don't think there's any problem with the shape. So the only thing I have to adjust, I think, is the weight. The lure I made in last video, I think it's too heavy because the sinking rate is really high. So yesterday I made these three lures. From the picture you can see I made three different weights lures. From 1 steel ball to 3 steel balls. They all have different weights. And I'm pretty sure the one with 1 steel ball probably not gonna perform well because I don't think that's the correct way for this bait. But I really want to see what kind of action this lure gonna do. I think the lure with 2 steel balls and the 3 steel balls will perform better. But I'm not sure which one has the correct weight for this glide bait. So for you guys can clearly see the action in the water, so I made those lures in white so you guys can see the action in the water much easier. And I've already marked them 1, 2, and 3. 1 means it has 1 steel ball inside, and the 2 has 2, 3 has 3 steel balls inside. So I'm gonna call them number 1, number 2, and the number 3. Take a guess, guys, which bait you think will perform the best. And right now I'm going to do a water test, sinking test, see which one has the best sinking rate. Okay guys, from the water test you can tell the number 2 has the good slow sinking rate, which is what I want. So I think probably number 2 will perform the best if we go fishing with it. Okay, let's see what kind of action they're gonna do. Alright, this is number 1 lure. Let's see what's the action of this lure. Yeah, this one's better than the last time because last time was too heavy. This one's of course this one's not the best, but this one's a little bit better than the last one. Okay, this is lure number 3, which is has 3 steel balls inside. Let's see what's the action of this lure.
你是粉丝啊？你是老板啊？我在那个哎呦，那搞得开心啊！哎，你今天也要打卡了？哦，今天不错。哦，那个线蛮长的嘛。哦。跟我还要放往下放了。我也说往下放。对。哎呀。
Okay, this is lure number 2. So my guess is number 2 lure will be the best. So let's take a look.
一脚给我弄断。
Okay guys, I found out what's the problem why my lure action wasn't really great before. Because my reel has a high gear ratio. It's 8.5 by 1 gear ratio. So in order to make this glide bait make a glide action, you have to make like a quarter turn each time, not a half turn or whole turn, because my gear ratio is high. See, right now quarter turn. And this glide bait really makes a really good glide action. And this is number 2 bait, which has 2 steel balls inside. So this 2 steel ball version will be the final version of this glide bait. And this glide bait works great. Like quarter turn every time.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I see it. That's
Yeah,
really
let's
good.
left right glide bait
Yeah, that's
action.
really good.
Wow, I really like the action of this glide bait. And I'm pretty proud of myself because this is my first glide bait and first joint bait design. I think the action of this lure is amazing because I already found out the correct weight for this lure. So I made some change from my original design. So you can see in these pictures. So now I already uploaded this 3D model to Thingiverse.com. If you guys want to make this lure, you can find the link in the description below. And all tools and the materials, you can find the link in the description below. And if you only watched this video and want to find out how to make this lure, you can go watch my last video. In my last video, you will learn how to make this lure. You can either find it here right now, or you can check the description below to find the link of my last video. Or you can go to my channel page to find my last video. Well guys, even though I made a really good glide bait, but I still didn't catch any freshwater fish so far. And the reason I make this lure because I want to catch largemouth bass. But unfortunately I didn't catch anything yet. Because I don't have any freshwater experience. So if you guys have any largemouth experience, please leave some comments to teach me how to fish largemouth bass. So as always, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you think my video is valuable to you, please consider subscribe for my future content. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.